Need a bathroom that's both stylish and safe in St. Joseph, Missouri? We specialize in accessibility-focused remodeling that never compromises on looks. Our services in St. Joe include curbless showers, walk-in tubs, ADA-compliant vanities, and elevated toilets, designed for aging in place with total confidence. Enhance your space with grab bars, anti-slip flooring, better ventilation, and bright LED lighting. Perfect for seniors, caregivers, or anyone planning ahead. Serving the St. Joseph area and Buchanan County, our licensed team ensures every project is safe, comfortable, and code compliant, built for long-term peace of mind. Call 877-693-5731 now for your in-home consultation in St. Joseph, MO. We're here to help you future-proof your bathroom beautifully.